Hey, this is Mark, and you're welcome to Auto Says. Picture this, you're cruising down the highway when suddenly your check engine light flickers on, and your heart sinks because you know what's coming next, a repair bill that could drain your entire paycheck, or worse, your emergency fund. But what if I told you there's a way to dodge those wallet-crushing moments? If you're tired of watching your hard-earned money vanish into endless repair costs, smash that like button right now and hit subscribe, because what I'm about to reveal could save you thousands of dollars over the next decade. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt genuinely excited about car shopping, instead of terrified about what financial nightmare might be lurking under that shiny hood? Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to admit. Owning a car in America has become outrageously expensive. And it's not just your imagination. Over the past 5 years, the cost of living has exploded like a firecracker on the 4th of July, and car ownership has been caught right in the blast zone. Sure, sticker prices have dropped a bit since the pandemic chaos, but here's where it gets really scary. Insurance premiums are climbing faster than a rocket launch, and repair costs, they're absolutely skyrocketing. Financial expert Rachel Cruz dropped some serious knowledge when she explained that while used car prices have finally returned to normal levels, everything else related to cars has gone completely bananas. Insurance premiums are through the roof, repair services cost more than ever, and replacement parts might as well be made of gold at this point. And if you've taken out a car loan recently, those interest rates have been absolutely brutal, adding insult to injury. But wait, there's more bad news before we get to the good stuff. And trust me, the good stuff is coming. We're facing a massive shortage of mechanics and service professionals who know how to fix cars properly. Think about that for a second. The essential workers who literally keep our society moving are becoming harder to find than a needle in a haystack. Young adults just aren't flocking to these careers anymore, which means fewer mechanics, longer wait times, and, you guessed it, higher prices. The perfect storm doesn't stop there. According to major industry reports, vehicles today are heavier and more complex than ever before, packed with computer systems that would make NASA jealous. New materials and manufacturing methods mean repairs require specialized knowledge and tools. And those pandemic-induced supply shortages, they're still causing ripple effects that hit your wallet every time something breaks. Now here's where things get interesting, and this is the moment you've been waiting for. While you can extend your car's lifespan through proper maintenance, imagine owning a vehicle that barely needs to see the inside of a repair shop in the first place. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Wrong. Consumer Reports did the heavy lifting and crunched the numbers on maintenance costs, including oil changes, tires, and everything in between. And what they discovered will blow your mind. Coming in at number 5 is Ford, the legendary American icon that's been turning wrenches since Henry Ford revolutionized manufacturing with the assembly line back in 1913. We're talking over a century of engineering evolution here. Ford isn't just affordable. With models like the F-150 starting around $37,000, it's built on a foundation of continuous innovation that's shaped American culture itself. Your 10-year maintenance costs about $5,400. That's less than $550 a year on average. At number 4 sits Lincoln, Ford's luxury cousin that proves you don't have to sacrifice style for reliability. If you want that premium feel without the premium repair bills, Lincoln delivers with sophistication and cutting-edge technology. 10-year costs hover around $5,040, and you're getting that sweet luxury experience without the nightmare service appointments that plague other high-end brands. Hold on, because number 3 is going to surprise you. Toyota lands here with costs matching Buick at $4,900 over 10 years. But here's what makes Toyota absolutely legendary. They've spent decades perfecting the art of building cars that simply refuse to die. The Camry has become synonymous with dependability, and there's a reason you see 20-year-old Toyotas still cruising around like they rolled off the lot yesterday. Starting at just $22,050, this is reliability you can actually afford. Number 2 brings us Buick, and if you've been sleeping on this brand, wake up immediately. Buick has completely transformed itself into a sporty, tech-savvy option that costs only $4,900 to maintain over 10 years. The 2025 Envista starts at an incredibly tempting $22,900, delivering style, efficiency, and modern features without that premium price tag. You're looking at around $900 in maintenance for your first 5 years of ownership. But here's the showstopper, the champion, the absolute king of low maintenance costs. Tesla storms into the number 1 position with maintenance costs so low they almost seem fake. Over 10 years, you're looking at just $4,035 total. In the first 5 years, a mere $580. Yes, you read that right. Electric vehicles are changing the game completely because there's no oil to change, fewer moving parts to brake, and regenerative braking means your brake pads last forever. The Model Y long range starts at $31,490, and suddenly that electric future doesn't seem so expensive after all, especially when Elon Musk's vision of sustainable transportation actually saves you money. So here's your million-dollar question. Are you going to keep throwing money at repairs for unreliable vehicles, or are you ready to make a smarter choice that protects your financial future? Drop a comment below telling me which of these 5 brands shocked you the most, and don't forget to subscribe because your wallet will thank you later.